Hi everyone, and welcome to a very exciting writing lesson. Today we are going to try and write our very first procedural to text. Now we're going to do it together. Some parts you'll just have to copy, and some parts you're going to have to try writing all by yourselves. It's very exciting. So before we start, procedural text. Who can remember what they are? That's right. A procedural text is something we write that gives us instructions and helps us when we're going to make something. So yesterday we made paper daffodils for Daffodil Day, and today we're going to have a try at writing about that, doing our procedural text. Now, procedural text has 4 parts. It has the title, it has the goal, it has our materials, so the things that we need, and then it has the steps, what we actually had to do to make our daffodil. Today, we're only going to do some of it, because when we do this, we don't always do everything at once, because that's a bit tricky. So we're going to do today the title, which I'm going to help you with, the goal, which I'm going to help you with, and the materials. So we're just doing the first parts today. Okay? Do you think we can do it? I think we can. So I need you to make sure you have a piece of paper or your book and a grey lead. And the first thing that we're going to do is write the date. I'm going to write it on my paper. Again, I'm using a texter so you can see it. Do you use texters in your book? No. So here we go. I'm going to write the date. Okay. So there is the date. What I want you to do is pause the video, write it down, and then keep going. Excellent. So we have our date, which we put every time we do any sort of work. Next, we need to put on the title. And the title is normally about what we are making. And what did we try and make? We made daffodils. So our title is going to say how to make daffodils. If I'm writing a sentence, what do I need at the start? Capital letter. What will I need between my words? Spaces. And what will I need at the end? A full stop. How to make a daffodil. All right, so same thing. I'm going to hold it up for you to copy. So you pause the video, copy down the title, and then keep going. And here we go. How to make a daffodil. Fabulous. All right, now it's going to be your turn to do some thinking and writing. So we have our title, and the next thing is the goal. And the goal is what you actually want to do. What do we want to do? We wanted to make a daffodil. So I'm going to write the word goal, which you're going to copy. And then after that, you are going to try and write to make a daffodil. To, which is one of our heart words. Make, make, make. A, which we all know, and daffodil, which is in the title, so you can copy it. All right, here we go. I'm going to hold my paper up. You need to copy the word goal, and then you're going to try and write to make a daffodil. There we go. There is the word goal, and then after it, you would write to make a daffodil. So pause the video. Let's see how we go. Excellent. How did we go with that? Do you think you did a pretty good job? All right. So we've done our title. We've done our goal. And now we're going to do our materials, the things that we needed. So same thing. I'm going to write the word materials for you to copy. And then we actually make a list. So it goes down the page. And who can tell me? Have a think. What did I need to make my daffodil? I think I needed yellow paper and green paper. I needed scissors. I needed glue. And I think think we might have used sticky tape. So there are 5 things that we're going to try and write. So first of all, we write the word materials. And I'm going to hold it up and you pause it and write it. So there we go. Materials. So pause and write that. Okay. And now what we're going to do is write down the page. I'm going to do one to show you, and then you're going to have a go at the rest. So who can remember what did we need? Yellow paper, green paper, scissors, glue, sticky tape. So there's 5 things. I'm going to write yellow paper. Yellow. Like my finger spell. O, yellow. And then I leave a space. Paper. And remember, when we are writing, the words don't have to be perfect. It's listening for the sounds. So any sound you can hear in the word, that's what you write down. That's what teachers will like. So here we go. Here was my word materials, and then I wrote yellow paper. And see how it's going down in a list? So then underneath I'd write green paper, scissors, glue, sticky tape. When you have done all of that, to make your work even better, you might even draw a little picture next to it. So you might draw a piece of yellow paper. I don't have yellow, but you would colour it in yellow. See how I've done that? And then if you had green paper, and you draw green, and then you draw scissors, glue, sticky tape. And that is it. That is our first ever procedural text. Are you proud of yourselves for that? You really should be, because it's pretty hard and you've done a fantastic job. When you're all finished today, you need to get your grown-up to put a photo on Compass so that the teachers can check them and see how well you've done. Good job.